Well, now, really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling, you see, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie at some point between the fall and the creation.
Nagbibiroan talaga. Parang kunyari hagis sa si Maring Jerwin dito sa labas. Baka na-stop.
Kami po
ay inyong loob.
ang inyong loobin.
Magkaisa ng kaloob at damdamin.
Magkaisa ng kaloob at damdamin.
Mula ngayon,
Mula ngayon,
sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan,
sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan,
sa kaligayahan at kalungkutan,
sa kaligayahan at kalungkutan,
sa karamdaman at kalusugan,
sa karamdaman at kalusugan,
sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
sa
lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
Let's welcome Real Spencer and Memphis Sahano! Let's hear President Sahano and Marcial! Hey, 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 hey,
Always respect one another. Always be quick to forgive. I hope that you will take these small pieces of advice and remember them throughout the rest of your life.